everybody, welcome to Try Not to Laugh again. And this time I'm actually gonna have sound. I fixed it. It was not that big of a problem, but yeah. So this time we're gonna have sound. It's gonna be way.
Fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbows.
It's gonna be a little bit better for you guys. Yeah.
Hardcore.
Okay. Let's start. That one was really easy.
ISIS, if you come to New York City and you try to blow anything up, I'm coming for you. Fuck y'all ISIS niggas. We from New York. I'm from Brooklyn. Fuck ISIS. They killed my boy Biggie.
Oh my god. Trump.
Just do it.
He looks like Slenderman.
Oh damn.
Oh damn.
Montrer les fonctions désirées dans la base de données. Et par exemple, je vais vous montrer la fonction que j'ai enregistrée
Technology.
ce matin. C'est la 2. Oui, attendez.
Hey, Ty.
What was that? Ew, that's disgusting. I never knew that a girl can fart.
Oh my.
What was that? You suck somebody's dick for $4. Yeah, nigga, that would be super gay. But what if you really needed the money? Pick up, you bastards! Is there anyone there? Yes, what you see? That question will be answered this Sunday night! You knocked me off of my feet, baby.
You spend far too much time with your computer. It's not healthy.
It's my life.
Oh, it's impossible.
Look how calm she is as well.
Yeah, that's creepy. So,
But who can resist this? Oh, I'll live a bitch. Struck you likely because you didn't bitch.
Am I talking to me?
Hey man, let's make a company called Modern Designs. What should the logo be? I don't know, it should be fucking Comic Sans or something! Are you kidding me?
My favorite video games are Banjo-Kazooie, Super Mario, and oh fuck!
his tongue is disgusting.
Oh. This will never be good.
Gotcha, bitch! I am the one, don't wait your time, don't need a gun to get respect upon the street. Under the sun, the back, the sun will pop the cup to feed himself and family. By any means, your enemies.
Watching, and he said the statement. Excuse me, 1 second. They're losers. They're just losers.
Ew, that's disgusting.
I never knew there was Donald Trump had, I don't know how many twins? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That is that Beyonce? Yes, I don't know. I don't know if it's Beyonce. Experience. Test 1. What's in the
Can't tie
book?
your shoes.
I can't tie my shoes, but I can fuck your bitch.
been wondering, what are midichlorians?
It's heroin.
President, I guess I have to do it myself. I know it's not.
I have seen that before. Ow.
Yeah.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
That's
You're not that handsome.
Wow, thanks.
Oh, this is good. Right then and butthole.
Oh my god. Get roasted.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice. That's how you make crystal meth.
Oh, poor dog.
Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Oh god.
That one was good. You have to laugh so much at a poor guy. He just slipped.
Keeping it to get on the edge, have some success out there, get everybody out flanking it, come right back with Kyle Eckel. Eckel has 9 carries in the middle of the field.
What
Can
the?
Gogurt Twisted. It's got 2 colors.
Oh my god, it's a tornado. Yeah.
Just do it.
Do it. It's Shrek. I'm so happy.
Oh no.
No.
Not that one.
My ear. Allahu Akbar.
Oh god. So that was a try not to laugh video. That it was the same though. So, but this time it was with sound.
Pink, fluffy unicorn dancing in rainbows.
I'm maybe going to delete the video if it's possible. Is it? Yeah, it's not possible. The video with the try not to laugh without noise.
And you should leave.
Just don't watch it. Just watch the this one with sound. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Allahu Akbar.